How's everyone doing? My name is Bibi and welcome back to another Test Tuesday. Now for this Test Tuesday, I wanted to try out the Name That Sound quiz. I have no idea if I'm any good at this, but let's just get right into this. Ready, go. Is this it? That's a guitar. DreamWorks Studios. Oh, that's how it works. Never mind. No clue. Okay, oh god. It's a computer from the 80s. Jeopardy. I've never watched that. That's not fair. Okay, I'm ready. So, Pac-Man. Dying. Ah. Okay, I knew that one. Oh man. Okay. The heavens? I don't know. Mac? I don't have a Mac. Stop it. Okay, well this is going wonderful. What the? That sounded like the TARDIS malfunctioning. What is that? Law & Order. I don't watch Law & Order. Does that even run anymore? I don't even know. It's a ringtone. Nokia, I think. I have no clue. The iPhone default. Yeah, that's what I meant. That's the same thing. Whatever. Windows, startup sound. Intel. Oh, Intel. Oh, that's what I meant. Well, it was something to do with the computer. I don't know. What is that? Disney? Oh, that's just the end. That's not fair. Okay. That is some sort of video game. I just don't know what. Donkey Kong Mario Dies. Oh, it's been so long since I played that. Years and years and years and years and years. Oh, I like this. Sounds familiar though. It sounds like something from something I watch. Lost! Oh, that's what it is. Watched. Like, I know this. Yeah. That is Lost. I love Lost. Except the ending, obviously. Okay, so this is the ending sound of Windows. What do you call it? Shutdown thing. Startup, shutdown, whatever. Windows. See? Windows. I got the Windows part. God has mail. What is that? NBC. Never heard of it. You don't have NBC. What is that? It sounds like an error message. I don't know what that is. I don't even know what that is. That was a thing. Wheel of Fortune bankrupt. Are you kidding me? Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Super Mario going into the pipe. Definitely. 100%. Or getting smaller. Yeah, it's the pipe. It's the pipe. Yeah, it's the pipe. I'm not sure I want to know what that is. Pixar? That makes sound. I didn't even know that had its own sound. A car crash. I don't know. Duracell. I don't watch commercials, mister. Oh. 24. My husband used to watch 24. The clock from 24. Yeah. Ringtone from, is that the Nokia? I don't have a cell phone. It's a ringtone. It's a ringtone, apparently. I'm sorry. It's the Nokia ringtone. Oh, it's with the globe and a thing. What's it called again? Universal? Yes, it is right. Yes. Yeah. All my hours of Jurassic Park binge watching. Bonus round. Oh no. I don't know, mister. I got something right. Oh, is it? I don't know. What is that? Hello, woman. What is that? Snow White? It's R2. Aw, baby. Hey. Okay. That sounds like a thing from a game I played recently. Oh, I didn't know it's from that. Okay, no, I didn't play that. Oh, it's the lion from, what is that, from Lionsgate? I don't even know. Metro Goldwyn Mayer. Okay, yeah, that's what I meant. The movie thing. I should know this. I should know this. I'm just, yeah, Zelda. Oh god, I love Zelda so much. So much. I'm never heard of that sound ever before. What is that? What is that? I don't even know. Ted? Like TEDx? Oh, okay. I feel like I should know this sound. This sounds so good. I don't know what it is. Ah, the Matrix. Okay, well, I didn't do very well. I didn't. And some things I should have known. Like, not knowing the Zelda sound is unforgivable. Like, for real. That's unforgivable. This was quite hard, actually. I thought it was gonna be like animal sounds and like a door opening and closing, things like that. I was not expecting this. Maybe I should look more into this. I had another one prepped, actually. I didn't look into that either. But I started it up, and it turned out there were some things in there that were not okay. Not okay. In my book, at least. So I picked this one. I was so short on time. But I did bad. I did bad. I'll have to try another one and see if I do better. Because I have to do better. I don't like doing bad. That's not a thing I like doing. No. But yeah, no, Zelda's unforgivable. So thank you for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this, please boop that like button in the nose. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!